Instructions on how to replace top engine mount on Land Rover LR2 from 2008 to 2012. Do not drain engine coolant. Do not disconnect coolant lines. Remove bolts holding engine coolant overflow. Turn coolant overflow container to the side in order to access front engine mount bolt. Remove front engine mount bolt as shown in here. Remove rear bolt as shown here. Remove engine strut. Adjust coolant overflow tank to access front bolt. Install new engine strut. Install front bolt as shown here. Install rear engine strut bolt as shown here. Install coolant overflow tank.